So this is an item that I bought used on Amazon. It looks good, it's in good condition. I was aware that it had a dent on the side. I'm a small business owner, so it will be of great use to me if it would have worked. So these are the parts that come in it. So this is my problem. I try to reset it from, I'm not sure you're gonna see it. There's a button at the back here. Let me get this out. I'm going to better light. Okay, so that's the reset button, as you see. Now, I don't know if there's something at the back missing that should be pushing that button out. Yeah. So when I went and tried to reset it, there's nothing coming. I can't even push it. So that's my only problem.
Supposed to, okay? Says to turn the timer on first, okay? And then turn the heat on. No indicator light. No heat. Plug it in the wall just fine. Okay, turn it all the way back off. Stopped it. That little reset button that you kind of can't see there does not even recess back into it. So you don't know if it works. But I tried it anyway, took the power apart, and still nothing. So back to Amazon it goes. Trash.
Okay, Amazon, I did not order anything that was used. This is absolutely disgusting. Like, this just came. Like, what the heck? Look at the outside of this box. Like, are you kidding me right now? I did not order anything used. This is disgusting. Like, look at the filth on this. Are you serious right now? I am absolutely appalled. I would not ever in my life, look at this. I would not ever in my life. Oh my gosh, ugh.
It's on. Should be off. Turn it all the way down to the timer says 0. It's supposed to ding and be off. It is not off, and it will not cut off. So it lasted about 7 months. It still fries really well, but it's compromised. So if you get one, purchase an extended warranty on it. It's the only way to get it off. The cord is hot.
Not for any particular length of time.
I freaking love this machine. It's awesome. I wish I would have found it sooner.
And as far as first runs go, pretty solid. Got some little shrimpies, chicken wings. Good to go.